This was the first house that we ever bought, so I tend to go a little crazy and make sure everything is set up right away, and I'd like the house to look like a model home.
We were unpacked within 3 days.
Immediately, yes.
When we started the mortgage process, we felt clueless.
And I think we were a little worried about getting a good rate too.
A good friend of ours worked for Embrace and got us started with the company. Started out in the process by walking us through what we could afford from a lifestyle perspective. So not what disposable money that we had, but really working through what we could afford and where we wanted to go with our life. He's really taken that holistic view of our finances, and we trust him with that sort of information so that we can get the best loan and the best house that's appropriate for our lifestyle.
It's pretty stressful when you start the process and you don't really know exactly what's going to happen, but Pat really kind of kept us up to date with what was going on and what we needed to do, and just kept it pretty easy for us, painless.
The biggest surprise for me was not feeling intimidated as we were sitting there signing, all this paperwork for these big dollar amounts.
But then when you finally get your keys and get into your new house, that's really exciting, and it's kind of a relief to have the whole process done. And Embrace is great because they can take the initiative to help you out and reach out to you if you maybe need to refinance at a certain period of time, and they really keep up with the communication and try to keep it as low stress as possible for you. Our loan officer took the initiative to reach out to us and let us know that rates were low, it'd be a good time to refinance, and that we could go from a 30-year mortgage to a 20, pay just a tiny bit more per month, but really start paying down our house. So he didn't actually need to do that. That was just out of the goodness of his heart, and we did that, and it saved us a lot of money.
We're working with Embrace for the third time in the process of buying our next home, our 30-year home that we're going to raise our family in.
They make us feel cared for.
Working with Embrace is a no-brainer for us. It's a known commodity for us. We've worked with them several times, and there's that level of comfort that we have come to trust in our loan officer and the service that we get from them.
Embrace made me feel like I am not alone.